Hi, this is Arjun and welcome to the Guide for Online Trainers, powered by Uplatz.com. In this video, I am going to tell you about 11 practices that can make your online teaching more effective and exceptional. So, let's get started and get you through all of them one by one. Starting with the basics. Always address your students with their names while interacting with them. Remember that a person's name is the sweetest and most important sound to that person. This basic habit builds rapport with the student and makes the conversation more connected and open. The next tip is to ask your students if they have any doubts about the topics from the previous class. A student could be shy to ask questions, but it's your job to provide them the time dedicated to clearing things up. This creates a strong image of yours as a teacher who is helpful and an expert on the subject matter. And, maybe you can even get an extra star for that. Coming on to the third tip. Always summarize what you had taught in the last class. This practice helps students refresh the topics covered in the last class and ensures that everybody is at the same platform to learn further. Plus, this simple habit also helps learners grasp new topics or concepts easily and consequently increases satisfaction among the students. Next, list out the topics that you are going to cover today. This shows that you are moving ahead with the course in a structured way. And more specifically, what it does is, it gives students an outline and prepares them on what to expect next, which as a result increases their confidence as well as their trust in you. Now once you have started teaching, try to sound as simple as you can. You're an expert, your students aren't. So, put yourself in your students' shoes and explain things by going to the most basic level. Also, use simple words to explain the terminologies. This helps them absorb even complex concepts with ease and indicates your in-depth knowledge of the field as well. The next practice is to ask your students regularly if they are able to grasp the content. The reason why this is so essential is because you don't get to see their faces in an online classroom. So asking if the student is clear about the topic or concept is the most logical way to find it out. The next advice. Don't rush. We humans learn at different paces. Someone learns fast while other one learns slow. So, you have to proceed at a pace that lets even a slow-learning student to comprehend things easily. Teaching hastily breaks your link with the student and turns into an undesirable learning experience for the student. And this is also one of the reasons why influential leaders speak slowly when addressing the public. With that, here's the next tip for you. Interact with your students. Teaching is not just about explaining things from your side, it is also about ensuring that students are clear about it. Interaction creates a friendly ambience and keeps students engaged in what you are saying. Ask simple questions every now and then to keep them attentive, motivated and far from falling asleep in your class. Next, include 5 minutes of break every hour. Breaks are important too as they de-stress students, help them focus, and increase their productivity as well. Plus, it relaxes you too a bit and keeps you energetic throughout the session. The next tip is, make your students practice the concepts. Give them assignments, exercises, mock tests, and time to perform practical implementation of the theory and lessons. This will help students to quickly develop their skills and confidence to apply them in the real-world scenarios during work, job interviews, exams and so on. And now for the final tip. Pay attention to the essentials of online teaching. Make sure to have a good internet connection, a headphone, a laptop that is fully charged or connected to a power source. Also, ensure there is no background noise, and try to speak slowly and clearly. So, there you have it, 11 commandments of online training. You must be knowing some of them already. Try to practice others as well and turn yourself into a popular and top-rated online tutor. Good luck, and I will see you in the next video.